Katie, what's so funny? You were taking Biscuit to the rabies clinic.
Hold on a second.
What's so funny?
Hold on a second.
Hold on a second. Why were you laughing?
Baby.
Bee's getting upset, Katie. What is she doing? What is she doing?
Hold on a second.
Hold on a second. Where are we going? Where are we going, Katie?
The baby doctor.
Yeah, we're taking Bee to the animal doctor.
Be the animal doctor.
Uh-huh.